Hi, I'm Naimbai. I am from Chad and I enjoy teaching at the Madagascar Professional Training Centre, also known as MPTC. As a teacher, I can confidently say that the institution takes very good care of its teachers. I receive a decent stipend, free accommodation, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The founder of MPTC, Mr. Emil Ratsibungu, is an honorable Christian man who wants to see Madagascar develop and cares deeply for young people. His primary motivation is not money, but helping students, hence contributing to their future success and that of Madagascar. As a Christian man who fully believes that money is not the most important thing in life, I agree with the core values of MPTC. Moreover, the staff and students are friendly, and I made unforgettable memories with them. Working at MPTC is not only fun, but rewarding as well. It made me a better teacher and prepared me for the future. MPTC gave me the opportunity to invest in young people. So by teaching English at MPTC, I believe that I contributed to the further success of students, their families, and the development of Madagascar. Lastly, MPTC offers every teacher the opportunity to learn another language. I chose Malagasy, and MPTC helped me to learn and speak some Malagasy. I highly recommend MPTC to any teacher who is considering teaching English in Madagascar or who wishes to have a cross-cultural experience. Thank you.